Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about meta descriptions. Meta descriptions provide users with detailed page information. The purpose of it is to provide a brief summary of your page's content, and it's got a huge impact because it influences click-through rates. The best practices for meta descriptions are to limit it to 150 characters and include your focus keyword at the beginning. You want to limit it to 150 characters because Google's only going to show that first 150 characters. And it's likely that no matter what screen you're looking at, whether that's tablet, phone, or your laptop, you're likely not going to see anything more than that. But also, you want to include your keyword at the beginning. It doesn't necessarily mean directly at the front. You don't want to keyword stuff, right? If you are a website designer, you don't want to be like, website design, see more about our website design and check out our website design in the meta description. If you were doing website design, right, you want to be like, are you looking for a website designer in New Orleans? Here to learn more about our custom website design. That would be more ideal to what you're looking for as part of a meta description. And over here, you can see this is how to verify your website on Google Search Console. That's the title. Then this little paragraph underneath it is the description. So you can see NOLA Media and Design, website design, graphic design, and digital marketing solutions for businesses of any size, industry, or location. Rhino Web Studios is a New Orleans web design. Sideways Designs is a leading Louisiana web design. You can see how all of these have web design somewhere in there. Innovative websites, and see that shows you that Google's algorithm is more in tune than what we typically think. Like a lot of times we don't have to put that specific keyword. It can really understand what we're trying to say using synonyms of our keyword. So that way we don't have to keyword stuff every page. It gets what our page is about if we're using those descriptive words. And we'll get more into that in our content section. But this right here just goes to show you like just the examples of meta descriptions and how they can be powerful for your SEO efforts. Up next, we're going to be talking about URLs or slugs. And so I will see you in the next video.